Hi guys, hope everyone is well. This is the Key Stage 4 lockdown lesson for science, and today we're going to be looking at a guide for maths for scientists. We have 3 learning objectives that we need to do, which are displayed now. First one, we need to identify metric and imperial units. Second one, we need to calculate surface area and volume. And finally, we need to convert between metric units of area and volume. So, the first learning objective. We need to understand that a unit of measurement describes one unit of a quantity. Units of measurement can be imperial or metric. So we need to be able to distinguish between the two. So metric is the ones that you are probably more familiar with, such as centimeters and meters, and imperial may be some of the measurement types that you haven't heard of as much, such as yards, ounces, and feet. So here I have some examples. Can you pause the video for me and have a think to see, are these examples metric or imperial? So well done for having a go at that if you did. Length in inches, mass in pounds, volume in gallons, those are all imperial units. So what I'd like you to do now, same again, pause the video, have a read of these 3 and try and guess, are these more imperial units or are these metric this time? So, well done if you had a go at that. Length in meters, mass in kilograms, and volume in cubic meters cubed, those are all metric. So what I'd like you to do, in your books, can you copy the learning objective, and can you copy those 3 examples down into your books? So, moving on to question 1. Draw a table and sort the units into metric and imperial. So what I would like you to do is draw a table using pencil and a ruler in your book and sort these into either metric or imperial. So pause the video and have a go at that. So well done if you did that. So you need to understand that metric is kilometers, meters, centimeters and millimeters, and all of the others were imperial. You need to know the symbols only for the metric. You won't be asked to do any symbols for imperial. So, question number 2. Calculate the area of the square below, and then you need to convert it into millimeters. So what you might have to do here is remind yourself, maybe look at your maths notes of how to calculate area and have a go at this in your book. Remember, when you are doing any calculations in science, you will get a mark for your working out. You will also get a mark for your units. So pause the video and have a go. So hopefully we were okay with that one. What you needed to do was times 1 by 1 because they were the measurements on the diagram. And what's important is your answer isn't going to be centimeters, it's going to be centimeters squared because it is an area. When you convert that into millimeters, all you had to do was times by 100. In the exam, remember you will have a ruler, and on your ruler you'll be able to see clearly that 1 centimeter contains 10 millimeters. So well done for having a go at that. Moving on to question 3. We need to calculate the volume of the cube below and convert it into millimeters. So pause the video for me, have a go at that, and remember you also need to convert it. So you'll get marks for your working out, you'll get marks for your conversion, and you'll get marks for your units. So the answer here for you, when it's a volume, instead of area being 2 numbers, this has 3 numbers. So it's going to be 1 times 1 times 1, and that's going to give you an answer of 1 centimeter cubed. So remember, not a 2, it has to have a 3 after the units. And then to convert that into millimeters, you just need to times the answer as shown on the board. So hopefully you've had a go at that. So in this video we had 3 learning objectives. So what I would like you to do to finish is prove to me that you've achieved all of these learning objectives by answering these final 3 questions. So are the units in the question, that is with the diagram, metric or imperial? 360 is the surface area, add the units and explain how to convert your answer above into millimeters. So pause the video, have a go at these in your exercise book, and if you can do that, you've achieved all the learning objectives, so well done for that. So answers, question 4, they are metric because they are centimeters. Question 5, it should be centimeters squared. And finally, when you are converting to millimeter squared, you need to times by 100. So well done for having a go at that. Any questions, please do email myself.